Winning at fantasy sports betting isn't about guessing right. It's about stacking small advantages. With DigiFantasy, the real magic happens when you use the DFS optimizer, fantasy scores, and DFS middling tool together. The DFS optimizer finds value plays by comparing sportsbooks odds to DFS platforms. The fantasy scores tools verify those plays by showing you player projections and recent performance data. And the DFS middling tool lets you hedge those plays by betting both sides when the lines don't match up. Together, these three tools gives you a full strategy, identify value, confirm it's real, and reduce risk. That's how you stop chasing luck and start building slips that actually have long-term profitability built in. Stop betting blind. Use DigiFantasy's bundle of tools to build smarter slips today. Click the sign up link in my description and get instant access.